Okay, good morning. So today we will try to introduce yung one of the easiest method in adding fractions, no? Using yung tinatawag nating butterfly method. Okay, bakit butterfly method? Kasi mukha siyang butterfly. Okay? So let's start with 5 and 8, no? So what will you do with 5 and 8? You will multiply, no? 5 multiplied by 8 is equal to 40. Ito yan, no? Dito naman, 3 yung numerator 3 multiplied by 10 will give you, okay, 3 times 10 is equal to 30. Okay. So, anong gagawin mo rito? 40 and 30. What will you do with this? You will add. So, mangyayari dito, it will become 70. Ito naman, what will you do with 10 and 8? This one, you will multiply. Okay, so lalabas 70 over 80. Okay, when you try to simplify, both of these can be divided by 10, di ba? So, ano lalabas na sagot niya? Ang lalabas na sagot niya is 70 divided by 10 equals 7. 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. So, what is your final answer? Your final answer is 7 over 8. Again, balikan natin, no? How do you use the butterfly method in adding fractions? Ito, no? Cross multiply, no? 5, numerator 5, multiply by denominator 8. 5 times 8 will give you 40. Ito naman, yung numerator 3, multiply by denominator 10. 3 times 10 will give you 30. After that, anong gagawin mo doon? You will add. 40 plus 30 will give you the numerator 70. Dito yung, sa denominator naman, what will you do? Multiply. 10 multiplied by 8 will give you 80. Okay? Then simplify. 70 over 80. Ano yung common factor to which you can divide 70 and 80? 10, no? 70 divided by 10 will give you 7. 80 divided by 10 will give you 8. So, ayan yun, no? So, this is the easiest, no? Easiest method in adding fractions. Again, what kind of method is this? Butterfly method. Okay?